everything's connected. Starting it up. Apple comes up. Then we get the red screen. And that's it. It doesn't work with all the cables connected. Okay, no, leave it running actually. Okay, power. Just the Apple symbol comes up, but it doesn't boot up. Even a hard reset. The Apple symbol. Red screen again. Dies. Okay, so it's off. Now if I take off, let's see here. Now if I take off the camera module, just the camera, and start it up without the camera. Hold on, I hard reset it. Oh, there it goes. Yeah, see? Everything works. So it's the camera module that's faulty. Thank you.